Welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the thread group in JMeter. Thread group is the main part of any JMeter test. It helps us set up the number of users, how quickly they start, how many times they repeat the test, and what do if something goes wrong. So let's begin. Right click on test plan. First, when you open the JMeter, you will view this interface test plan only. Inside this test plan, you can add the HTTP request, you can add the thread group, and also you can add reports here by using listener file. Click on this file. First, I will show you how to add thread group. Click on add threads and then click on thread group. Here you can view the name thread group. Here you can set the name of the thread group. Suppose you have multiple thread groups, you want to perform the login page testing and dashboard. So every test case you have a different thread group. So in this scenario, you need to enter the thread group name unique because you can easily identify the thread group by name. Same as well, you can enter the comments in the comment field. Thread number of thread users. This options tells JMeter how many virtual users to create for the test. Each user thread act like a real person using the website or app. More users mean more load on the system. Here, if you enter 1, it means one user access the application. If you set the number of users 5 or 50, then 50 virtual users will be access the application. In this scenario, the total number of users will be 50. Ramp up period. This is the time JMeter takes to start all the users. It controls how fast the users are added. A long ramp up period means users are added more slowly. If you enter 50, then this request will be complete in 50 seconds, and it makes the slow script. Loop count. The loop count shows how many times each user should repeat the test action. You can set it to a fixed number or choose forever to keep repeating the actions. Here, two options are available. Either you can mark this checkbox. If you set the infinite, now test case will not stop. If you set the loop count is equal to 5 and set here 10. Now the total number of user equal to 50 because here you set the loop count equal to 5 and total number of users will access the application 50. Continue option. This keeps running even if they an error occur. Suppose you set here thousands number of users and after 500 requests you are getting error from server. In this scenario, your test case will not stop because here you set the continue even the error occur. You need to check in the response why you are getting the response from the servers and when you are getting the error from the server in which request you need to identify. So here majority these options you need to set. Continue. Start next thread group. The current user is skipped to the next loop if they are an error occur. Stop thread. Only the user that has an error stop. Stop test. The whole test stops immediately if an error happens. If you mark this stop test and run the test, suppose after the 100 request you are getting some error, and server are not responding your request. So your test case will be stopped because you set here stop test if an error occur. Delays thread. These options create user only when needed instead of all at once. It helps save memory and reduces the load on your system. Let's add the HTTP request, remove this and open, click on file, open, and then click on HTTP request, click on no, and here you can view, we set here some assertions we can disable by right click and then click on disable. This is assertions for duration. Right click and disable, and as well we can disable. Now I will show you how to set the loop count here. Suppose you set here 10 number of users and click on start, then test case will be start. Click on start. In view result tree, we can view the request. In the request, we sent only the URL and the request is get method. This is the protocol here, HTTPS. We sent 10 request and here we can get the response from the server. Here multiple options are available. You can change here JSON or and other options you can change here. Now, if you set here 10, now 100 requests will be sent to the server. You can clear the results by using clear option. Click on this and clear. Here you can view the result has been cleared. Same, you need to just click on this continue and the test will be start. It will gradually start adding the users. In this scenario, 100 requests will be sent to the server because here we set the loop count is equal to 10. And here you can view the total time. Same as well, here you can add the different listener, summary report, agree report, and here you can view the total number of samples sent. If you set here 100 requests sent to the server, then samples equal to 100. And if you are getting some error, then here you can view the error in a percentage. That's for today's tutorial on thread group. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the basics. If you found it helpful, please like this tutorial and subscribe to SK World for more JMeter tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icons so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.